Hey, I'm Chuck. If you're bringing badness back, you're out of luck. Ain't no kung fu fighting doc, his name is Chuck. You'll never break or take him down, he's too tough. You'll never see him hit the deck when things get rough. Fair to say he's pretty cool, borders on invincibles. And superheroes rolled in one, our favorite son. And he's a chick. Fair to say he's pretty cool, borders on invincibles. And superheroes rolled in one, our favorite son.
I've got it! It's brilliant! Dee will be really happy.
Have you managed to make your mechanical spider move then?
Yes! Now you'll see! But...
Ooh, it doesn't dance very well.
Hey!
What on earth's all this noise? Ouch!
Oh, I'm so sorry, Your Excellency. It's just that we thought you wanted to create some mechanical insects and...
Yes, and we wanted to help out. Do you want to see how my mechanical fly flies?
Don't tell me you actually got it to fly.
Yes, but I haven't managed to make it fly very far. Huh?
What a pair of useless idiots! I don't need your help. I've already got my army of super insects at the ready. Flies, spiders, mosquitoes, beetles.
Shoo! Shoo!
Get out of here!
Let the invasion begin.
Oh my, what a beautiful day! How wonderfully that little bird is singing. Huh?
Sing well, singing too.
What's just happened to the poor little... Ah!
Yikes! A huge mechanical fly.
Got any insecticide on hand?
No, but I think my latest invention, the air conditioning freezer, will suffice. Phew!
What's up, Flick? Wanna join me on the beach?
Chuck, come quickly. I think Dee's up to something.
Coming right away. Speedy Cheetah!
Huh? Wow, your speed never ceases to amaze me, Chuck.
Only my speed, my lovely?
Hey, look at the news!
There is a threat spreading panic in the city. It's a...
Chuck, you have to stop this thing before they destroy the whole city! Hello? Mayor speaking. That'll cost you $20,000. Sure, whatever you say. Ah!
Okay, let's go.
Cream! Insect bite cream! Cream! Hey! Ouch! Ow!
So, Your Honor, Chuck Chicken has come to deal with the problem then?
Yes, Chuck has agreed to get rid of the insects for the very reasonable sum of $20,000. Chuck, what's going on?
I think we better raise that to $30,000, Your Honor. The plague is worse than I thought.
We've got work to do!
Let's get going. Rhinoceros punch!
Rubber snake! Spinning mole! Rubber snake! At this rate, he'll never be able to finish off my insects. There are too many for him to fight with his fists. Speeding cheetah! Smoky skunk! My gas hasn't worked! Of course not, silly! My mechanical insects don't have noses! Anyway, where's Chuck's friend Flick got to? She was fighting to get with him earlier.
Chuck asked me to come and pay you a visit.
Huh?
Finish her off!
Yeah.
Ah! Okay. We're gonna go now. But you'll be staying here. I hope you're not allergic to bee stings.
What on earth did he mean when he said bee stings? Huh? Oh no!
This beetle's coming for me! Minuscule mouse! One enemy down! Oh no! Mosquitoes! And here he goes again! Spider feet! Armadillo shield! Phew, I'm exhausted. I hope Flick deactivates the insect army soon.
I think I know how to escape from here. Here I am, little bee. Come and get me. Great. It's time to go.
Armadillo shield! Huh? Ah! Oh no, my egg!
You stupid little pest! I don't need you anymore! With this microcomputer, I control all my insects! Its waves act on inferior brains! I can't believe it! How can you two nincompoops have less brain power than a mosquito?
You shouldn't have deactivated your insect so soon, D. Armadillo shield!
Don't assume you've won just yet, little chicken!
A giant spider? Rhinoceros punch! Hee-yah! Spider feet!
is the end of Chuck Chicken!
Excuse me, have you got the time?
Yes, it's 5:30. Eh? Flick! Oh!
Flick!
Finish them off!
Rhinoceros punch!
No! Help! Get me out of here!
Let's try this out.
Ow, 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 ow.